is the law of inspired action, which essentially just states that when you are aligned with who you truly are, inspiration will come to you. You don't have to force it. Because again, remember, you are the true source of all that is. You are creative because you create. The sixth law, which is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, states that everything is fluctuating and growing. Therefore, if it lacks evolvement, change, something is wrong. The seventh law is the law of cause and effect, which states that for every cause, there is obviously an effect. Our thinking creates the cause, and our experiences are the effect. The unironically eighth universal law, and my personal favorite, is the law of compensation, what some people call karma. You reap what you sow. What you give to others shall be given to you. What you withhold from others shall be withheld from you. It is unavoidable. It is a universal law. Which is okay, because the ninth universal law tells us that everything is relative anyway. We perceive the world how we want to. Because the 10th law of the universe tells us that there is a law of polarity, meaning everything in the universe has an opposite, we know that there are vast realities existing. But don't fear, don't fret, don't create anxiety in your thought processes. Flow like water, because that is the 11th law of the universe, which is the law of rhythm. Everything has a nature and a season. You in your life have seasons too. At a collective level, we have seasons. Astrology, which is substantiated by the religious text, which tells you that you should use the sun, the moon, the stars for signs and seasons. Genesis 1. And the final law of the universe, which is equally as important as the first, is that there is a law of gender. And that law is quite contrary to what you've been taught, which is to follow social constructs about femininity and masculinity that are not real because they are constructed, crafted, created. The universal law tells you, however, that life is only in alignment for you when your masculine and feminine identities come together. To exist only in one is to exist as half of yourself. Nothing done halfway can reach completion. Here's the most important nugget of truth for all of those who stayed through this very long video. I have previously said that they are bound by the laws of the cosmos, which requires them to tell us the truth. Throughout the course of this very long video, where I have described all 12 of the universal laws, not in a single one did I reveal that they are required to tell us the truth. So let me explain. If they, being the powers that be, tell you the truth, then they believe